Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. This video I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that when you're just using your iPhone and you may face issue that when you just simply just go to the Chrome and see that it's not working in your site. So how you can resolve that? Just like that, I'm gonna use that Google Chrome, just search the Google Chromes like that, and in your case you cannot use that and it's not working in. So how you can resolve that? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just follow the steps. Simply just go to the setting of your iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected during that process. So many users facing issue because they cannot disconnect VPN during that. So make sure that you just disconnect VPN during that process. So many VPNs do not work properly. So that's why your Chrome browser not working. So make sure that you just disconnect VPN from settings. If you don't find where you can disconnect VPN, just like that, it's showing the VPN and just disconnect it. And showing that in my phone is connected. Simply just disconnect VPN from here, just like that. VPN disconnected. Just tap on that and again connecting. You just have to just disconnect from that section. And also just go to the general section and just scroll it down to the bottom and you see that option of VPN, just tap on that. And also turn off VPN from that section. Just like that. After that, we just go back, again back, and just go to the general section and see that there's an option of software update. Just tap on that and let's update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After that, simply just tap on iPhone storages and then wait for a second for the loading. And just scroll it down and just find a Chrome app. Just tap on that and just simply just offload the app from here and again download the app in that section. After doing that, all the settings I'm gonna tell that in this video, so you're probably gonna solve after that. So make sure that you just follow all the settings I'm gonna tell that in this video to fix your issue. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.